Hello guys, and welcome to David Zimaleta. In today's video, I'm going to be flying from Houston to Mexico. So if you guys want to join me for the flight and see how things are and see the review of things and my take on it, please join me. Just came from there, and take a look at this. This is pretty, real nice. A bunch of planes outside, and I gotta go to my flight to find United. So escalators going down over here, and then the escalators going up is on that side. Let's take a look at outside very quickly. And it's real cool. We got these blue lights. So here's level 2. We're gonna take the escalator. I just reached the top, and this is what you see. You can see a lot of planes. We just landed on the United flight, which is way back there. It's probably that one right there. That was actually my plane that just landed. Guys, I entered over there, and there's all these shops here, different type of bars, stores. But I gotta go to E15. So there's baggage claim, but there's to Skyway, so I actually got to take a train to my connecting flight. Fun, guys. Lots of walking. I should be burning some calories in no time. I got to hustle. I actually do got to get on the train, and it's 8:59 local time, and I got to be there at 9:07. But I just got off the flight. Therefore, it's actually like back to back, so I gotta go. So E that way. So taking the escalators, we came from there. I'll make it. I should be able to. I think they're gonna be boarding for about 15 minutes anyway. Showing this way. So I gotta go this way. So it looks like we gotta wait for the train to actually get here. So that's the train tracks for the E connecting flight. So that's a different side. That's the side A. People just getting off. Very interesting. For first-time flyers, to kind of watch some of these videos, because if you're traveling, you might not know the procedure. I actually did not know I gotta be taking a train once I actually get off the flight to actually go to my terminal. Who would have thought? I mean, you would think you're at the airport, but now you gotta take a train. But yeah, train just made it here, guys. It didn't take about a minute. So there's the train.
The train has arrived at Terminal B.
Stand up for a change. One thing for sure, guys, as soon as you get off the connecting flight and you need to go somewhere, you want to make sure you go there right away. Because if it's the train, you don't want to be late.
The
doors are closing. Now we're off. You gotta pay attention, make sure they're gonna take me to the right one, because I think it's taken to C and E on this one. That's C, so the next one is E. So we're gonna be there shortly. We're at E. Ready to go.
Board here for Terminal C, B, and A.
So it looks like D and E is this way.
The doors are closing. This train is departing.
We're on our way down to E now. It is a little confusing. It looks like the sign's pointing you to go that way for the E. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Escalator. I want to make sure I'm going to be going to E, so E is straight up. So it looks like there's more than one person that's kind of like they're gonna make it. So yeah, going. I'm close. I'm close. I'm gonna be doing some running. So E1 to E11, E12 to E24, left E24. We should be close. There's this. That's E12. E14. Some shops. Looking pretty cool. And I'm losing my breath. Looks like somewhere down there by the Starbucks. Gotta go this way. Wendy's, food. We don't have no time. No time whatsoever. So E24. Just when I thought I'm there. E15 further ahead. More running on my part. I should have taken my GoPro. Go to the boarding. I made it. Just got through there. So now I'm gonna be heading down the hallway to actually make it to the plane. I'm vlogging everything. I'm a vlogger.
You vlogging?
Yeah.
On the vlog?
Yeah, why not?
Hello.
I'm not that famous, only 15,000 subscribers.
I like it. Well, hello.
Thank you. My seat. It looks like I got a window seat and it's closed. That's what we have outside the window. We are taking off and there's somebody walking there. It looks like the wing is a lot taller than the person. It is raining, so it is going to be interesting to take off while it's raining. My last flight, it was not raining when I was taking off, but it was like that. Mine is on the airplane. I'm just making. So it looks like we're heading to the runway to take off. So glad I made this flight. I thought I was gonna miss it. I had to like run because technically it was like boarding like pre-late, type of time. I was pretty much like the last one on the flight, almost. So it looks like sleepy time. Driving down the runway, so we're actually getting ready to take off. Let's see how fast it could perform. It's a long drive down the runway, but I think we are close. Mexico. Bye-bye, thank you.
Bye, have a good night.
You too. Well guys, I'm here. Now I'm gonna go check in. Got some paperwork to fill out. There's our plane. I just got off the United to Mexico. There's the airport, guys. More planes. It feels just like America. Documents in order. And here's the place. That area, no cell phones allowed. You might actually see that in the video. So they're like, no cell phone. So yeah, be careful when you travel in Mexico. When you stand in line, checking in, might not want to use a cell phone. But they only caught me texting, not videoing. That would be no problem. You do have to fill out like declaration form and stuff, and you know, kind of like a visa type of document. Just for like the visit. So here's the baggage claim area. Yeah. Uh-huh.
Here is Silao.
City?
Yes, it's a city.
Guanajuato.
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 Yes.
Guanajuato. I'm in Guanajuato.
Yes, in Mexico.
Mucha fría afuera. Hola amigos. Well, my Uber is here. I am in the Uber driving in the beautiful country of Mexico.
So that's
En 200 metros, gira a la derecha con dirección a De La Paz.
Well guys, at 4 a.m. At Marriott here, trying to find my room. Just 8:31. Found my room. It's right here. The accommodations are pretty nice. So got the lights here. Bathroom here. Here's the shower. And here's the bed with a closet. Nice large screen TV. And of course, here's the view. My name is Serge Zimaleta. I'm 37 years old. And yes, I experienced success after buying my first home for cash. Back in 2011, I was broke, but I learned to solve problems on my own. Now I'm helping others to solve their problems. I know what pitfalls to avoid to stay profitable in business. Need motivation to be more successful in your life? Do you have Sprinter expedite or business problems? Then subscribe. Let's find creative solutions to your problems. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my helpful videos.